How to transfer money from Robinhood to bank. Ensure you have the Robinhood app installed on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Launch the app and log into your Robinhood account with your username and password. Once you're logged in, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. On your account overview screen, tap the Transfer button. Choose the option to transfer money to your bank. If you have a Robinhood Gold account, you can also select Withdraw from Robinhood Gold. Enter the amount you want to transfer from your Robinhood account to your bank account. Choose the bank account to which you want to transfer the money. If you haven't linked your bank account to Robinhood, you'll need to add it before proceeding. Review the transfer details, including the amount and destination bank account. Make sure all information is accurate. After confirming the details, tap Submit or Transfer to initiate the transfer. Robinhood will process your withdrawal request. The time it takes to complete the transfer can vary, but it's typically a few business days. Monitor your bank account for the deposited funds. Once the transfer is completed, the money will be available in your bank account. That's how you can transfer money from Robinhood to bank.